Okay, welcome back to the final video of Advanced List Building Strategies, and in our conclusion, just want to hit some of the high points here that we have talked about. And remember now, you're going to make more money in the long run because you're building buyers lists. So the key to this whole strategy, that's why we're not going the safe list right now. You can still do all those other things, but we're going to go to the buyers route first because we want to find people who we know buy products in our niche, right? And that's going to give us a better chance of being able to sell to them. Now, you can still use swaps and safe lists. You can still use those things, but you want to use them in conjunction with a list that you already know is making money. Remember, a high percentage of those people are really going to be getting freebies. They're interested in what they can get. They're not necessarily going to be interested in becoming a buyer right away. So when you have a list of buyers, you want to be selective about the affiliate products that you mail offers for, right? So don't just send an offer for a launch just because there is one, right? You don't want to pimp your list like this in order to make a lot of money. That's not you want to do this slowly. You want to create value for them. You basically want to make sure they understand that you are interested in their making money and they're growing their business, right? Use webinars to educate your prospects and provide value, and your buyers. So you want to build relationships, but you also want to provide value. Give them educational webinars in order to help them to build their business. And you're not selling anything. Don't put them on the webinar just to sell to them. Put them on the webinar so that you can help them. Right? You don't want people, you want people to be loyal to you. You want people that when you send out an email, you want them to open it. Start the buyer infiltration method to activate new buyers into your list whenever you create a product. So remember, as many times as you can create and start that process and create a product, you can start the process of the buyer infiltration method. And the key to all this, the key that makes these things work, is relationships. Right? It's going to be relationships. Remember, you're going to keep your friends close and your affiliates closer. So if you are continuously building solid relationships where you know that someone will help you to promote, where you can promote their product, where they have an understanding, they'll work with you in doing the buyer infiltration method, then those are going to be the folks that you want to work with. And you want to continue to expand your network by making relationships with people whom you can help and who can help you. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will either see you in the next video if you choose to start the program again, or in another course. Thanks.